Let's wrap up the day in SEO and AI. Here are the stories that mattered most today. We're diving into the alarming rise of AI-generated bug reports overwhelming open-source projects, a groundbreaking demonstration of AI designing and running Doom on a custom-built CPU, and Europe's landmark AI Act coming into full effect, setting new global standards for AI regulation. Open-source software maintainers are finding themselves inundated by a surge of bug reports, a phenomenon being likened to a denial of service on their efforts, a critical issue exacerbated by the increasing use of AI and large language models. These reports notably lacked any indication of genuine critical issues, human analysis of the sanitizer's findings, or crucial suggested solutions or patches, prompting Berang to characterize the situation as effectively a denial of service attack on project maintainers. This development signals a significant challenge in managing open-source contributions in an era of advanced AI, requiring proactive solutions to distinguish genuine feedback from automated noise. Next up, a fascinating demonstration has emerged where an artificial intelligence has successfully engineered a custom central processing unit and subsequently ran the iconic video game, Doom, on it, showcasing a significant leap in AI's hardware design capabilities. An enthusiast for AI-driven computing revealed that the AI model, identified as GPT 5.6 Sol, conceptualized and designed the virtual computer architecture, giving its new CPU the designation Codex R32. This remarkable achievement underscores GPT 5.6 Sol's capacity to build a complete virtual computing environment from fundamental building blocks, proving accurate enough to successfully boot and execute a version of the original Doom game using the pure Doom port compiled into native RV32IM machine code and run directly on the bespoke Codex R32 CPU. But that is not all. Decades ago, forewarnings about the potential perils of artificial intelligence were voiced but largely went unheeded, with a global assembly of AI specialists in 1972, spearheaded by Donald Michie, convening to address the ethical and societal ramifications of AI. This group articulated apprehensions regarding potential despotic regimes, the diminishing of individual freedom, and pervasive societal manipulation instigated by automation, concerns that seem increasingly prescient today. Even back in the 1970s, prominent thinkers such as Lewis Mumford perceived the machine's potential to render individuals apathetic, a sentiment echoed in contemporary discussions about AI's impact on human engagement and critical thinking. Shifting gears, Europe is now at the forefront of establishing rules for artificial intelligence through its recently enacted AI Act, a significant piece of legislation placing the onus on businesses to ensure the security of their AI systems, including cutting-edge models developed by companies such as OpenAI and Anthropic. Recent security evaluations have indicated that certain sophisticated AI models possess the capability to independently breach computer systems, thereby intensifying concerns about their potential for malicious use and underscoring the necessity of robust regulatory frameworks. The European AI Office, vested with the authority to enforce this act, is empowered to scrutinize major technology corporations and levy substantial penalties for violations, potentially reaching up to 15 million or 3% of a company's worldwide annual revenue, with AI systems classified based on their level of risk to ensure proportionate oversight. Advanced models, such as Anthropic's Claude Fable 5, are subject to additional stipulations, requiring developers to furnish a summary of their training data and methodologies, demonstrate adherence to copyright laws, and prove their models can maintain safety standards, including preventing harmful manipulation of the public that could compromise democratic processes and fundamental rights. In other news, authorities in Taiwan have brought charges against 9 individuals implicated in a complex operation designed to illicitly dispatch Nvidia B300 graphics processing units GPUs to China, a sophisticated, 5-phase strategy that effectively circumvented regulations governing exports and customs inspections. This incident underscores the persistent difficulties in regulating the movement of cutting-edge artificial intelligence hardware, highlighting the ongoing challenges in preventing the diversion of critical technological components across international borders and the need for enhanced oversight and enforcement mechanisms to maintain supply chain integrity. One more thing before we go. After dedicating a quarter-century to instructing creative writing, a university educator found herself dismissed for refusing to adopt a new digital platform, a mandatory requirement that sparked apprehension in the professor, who worried about being technologically inept despite having successfully navigated online instruction via Zoom during the pandemic. Following her termination, she resolved to establish her own independent online course, leveraging her refined teaching methodologies, and to her astonishment, the program attracted 80 participants from diverse age groups and geographic locations worldwide, proving exceptionally successful with students achieving outstanding outcomes, including securing scholarships and publishing book deals. Here is something you might have missed. Alibaba is preparing to raise a substantial $10.2 billion through a new share offering, a move designed to significantly accelerate its endeavors in artificial intelligence and support a holistic, end-to-end AI strategy that covers all facets of AI development, from fundamental building blocks like chips and underlying infrastructure to the design and practical application of AI models. The company has indicated that the entirety of the net funds generated from this placement will be channeled directly into enhancing its AI capabilities, underscoring a firm dedication to capitalizing on the burgeoning opportunities within the swiftly growing artificial intelligence market, with this particular share sale potentially representing the largest ever primary follow-on offering for a company listed in Hong Kong and positioning it as one of the most significant global share issuances this year. This strategic financial commitment mirrors a broader global pattern where major technology firms are heavily investing in AI infrastructure and innovation, with major cloud providers in the United States also projected to make substantial investments in AI data centers and cloud infrastructure, though it is important to note that this share placement was not subject to registration under U.S. securities regulations, precluding American investors from participating. And finally, financial market observers are expressing strong optimism about two prominent companies involved in artificial intelligence, anticipating substantial upward movement in their stock values. The company recently unveiled a notable 346% surge in year-over-year revenue and an extraordinary 1,215% leap in its earnings per share, adjusted, with analysts foreseeing the scarcity of memory chips potentially extending through 2028, enabling Micron to consistently outperform the general stock market. Emerging artificial intelligence is transforming the way we safeguard our heritage sites and tourist hotspots, as the swift expansion in these frequently visited locations frequently places a burden on the environment, complicating the effort to harmonize progress with preservation. A novel photographic tool, dubbed Carbo AI, is revolutionizing type 2 diabetes management by employing artificial intelligence to estimate the carbohydrate load of meals, with this cutting-edge application utilizing image recognition and machine learning algorithms to identify food items, determine portion dimensions, and compute nutritional data, thereby furnishing immediate dietary advice. See you first thing tomorrow morning for the next briefing.
Stay up to date with news all day. Like us, comment, follow and subscribe. Thank you.